Hey, good afternoon, everyone. Frank from Easy Dream Adventures here. It's Red Shirt Friday, so it's time for a little Red Shirt Friday chat here. Do you have your red shirts on to support everyone deployed? Remember, everyone deployed. Today's topic is going to be campground activities or resort activities. What are the activities you enjoy at campgrounds or resorts? There's a lot of different activities. I've seen them range from potlucks to rodeos. So we've stayed at a campground, I believe it was in South Dakota, and they actually had a rodeo on Friday night at the campground. And that was included for guests. It was pretty cool. Your typical, bingo, groups getting together to play cards in the clubhouse, karaoke, potluck dinners. The one campground we go to that we're kind of snowbirds. I guess we are snowbirds. We're not kind of snowbirds. They have a end of season luau, which is a good time around the pool with food and music. We've actually spearheaded some group bike rides from campgrounds that we're at. Other groups or other campgrounds we've been at have had actual bike ride groups set up, and they did a regular bike ride. Activities, like I said, bingo. There's always activities for kids, crafts. Now some of the fun things are like a foam party, run around in foam. Basically soap bubbles, but a foam party. Horseshoe, I think horseshoe isn't as big of a thing anymore, but cornhole. That's been a big activity. I'm trying to think what else. Here at this campground we're at, they have disc golf, frisbee golf, movie nights, holiday parties. So how about you? What are some of the activities you've enjoyed or would like to see? Be sure to leave your comments below in this video. We're working now as work campers, so we are running some of the activities at this campground. Movie night, bingo, holidays. We're gonna have a 4th of July bike kitty parade, site decorating contest, and that brings to mind Halloween. So Halloween, generally you have site contests and costume contests. I think I mentioned karaoke before. We've been to a campground that actually had a haunted house where you can buy, I think it was, fairly inexpensive, $1, but it was a pretty cool haunted house. And again, that was at Halloween time. There's campgrounds that have drone shows, fireworks shows, music, bands come in, or just a singer come in. I know down in Nashville, the one campground we were at, can't remember the name of it. It's actually in Goodlettsville, I believe. They have, I'm not sure if it's every night, but it's at least on the weekends, they have a back porch band playing. So that's, some good music down there in Nashville. We also have miniature golf, putt-putt golf here. I'm trying to think what other activities. Again, like I said, make sure you leave down in the comments, the activities that you enjoy, or what you'd like to see. I know a lot of the resorts down in the south, more of the winter resorts, they all have pickleball now. Some of them still have shuffleboard. Haven't seen a whole lot of tennis. I think tennis has gone the way of pickleball. We've had golf cart parades I've seen, both daytime and nighttime, so lit up ones at night. Some places will have a morning get-together with coffee and donuts. I've seen that at a few resorts. I've seen little impromptu crawfish boils. That's pretty cool. Ice cream socials. The resort down in Foley, Pirates Cove RV Resort, they have an ice cream social, at least in the winter months, every week. Another important one, Sunday morning church services. Quite a few campgrounds actually have an organized church service on Sunday mornings, which I think is really great. Bible studies. I've seen ladies' crafts. Paint and sip, that's another one. Sit around and learn how to paint a picture and sip some wine or whatever your preferred drink is. I don't know, there's always something to do at most campgrounds. A lot of them have arcades. Water aerobics. We've done quite a bit with water aerobics. Again, down in Foley, Alabama there, they have water aerobics twice a day during the winter months because there's a huge turnout for it. I think in the summer it's once a day, just during the week. I've seen volleyball in the pool. I've seen volleyball in the sand. I don't know, again, what are your favorite activities that you have enjoyed at campgrounds and RV resorts, and or what would you like to see? Another one is just sitting around a campfire, having a good conversation with your neighbors. We bought a little solo stove type fire pit this year. Nice just to sit around and chat with your neighbors or friends in the campground, or meet new people. I mean, that's a great way to meet some of your people, is just light up a fire and have a couple of open chairs sitting there, and people walk by, invite them over to have a seat and have a little conversation. That's what this is all about. It's not just about sitting in your RV and watching Netflix, which, yes, we do sit in our RV and watch Netflix and YouTube. But it's just more enjoyable sitting around with other people and having a good conversation. So don't be an RV couch potato. Get out and enjoy. Get out and enjoy the fresh air. You can sit around at your home. Well, we're full-time RVers, so that is our home. But yeah, don't be a couch potato. Get some exercise. It's good for your body. It's good for your health. It's good for your mind. That's get out and do something. Don't just sit around and let the world pass you by. I just think about all the great folks here that you meet at campgrounds, and people don't communicate. I think that's one of the things in this world that has really kind of gone bad, is we don't talk to each other. We'll sit there and we'll watch what our neighbor's doing and complain about this or complain about that, but we don't communicate. So at least when you're at the campground, get out and communicate with the other campers, the other people at the resort, at the RV resort. Sit around that campfire and have a great time. God didn't intend us to be loners, and He definitely didn't create us to sit and watch TV all night. But get out and meet people. It's all about people. It's all about caring for each other. Knowing, and you can't care about somebody if you don't know them. So the best way to do that is sit down, sit in front of a campfire, have a little chat, have a little campfire chat. I even remember back in the day when we took the kids camping, one of the guys would bring a guitar, we'd sit around and we'd sing songs by the campfire. Now, how many people do that nowadays? I haven't seen it hardly ever. I shouldn't say too much. I do have a guitar in my RV. I haven't played guitar in probably 30 plus years, so I'm hoping someday to pick it up and remember how to do it. So anyway, that's about it. Again, please leave comments down below. What are the activities you like to do when you're out with your RV? You know, if you enjoyed this video, please give us a like. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to our channel. It costs you nothing. That's a line everyone says, but it really doesn't cost you anything. And it'll, if you ring the notification bell, you'll get a notification from YouTube when we post our latest video. So we really appreciate you doing that. You guys have a great weekend. And remember, wear red on Fridays. Remember, everyone deployed.